Hello friend, in this lecture we will discuss on the commands in HTML. So friend, let's start. The command tag are used to insert some commands in the HTML source code. Now using this HTML command tag we can add command to our HTML source code. And the syntax for this command tag are as shown here. Here we'll be having an opening angle bracket, an exclamatory sign, then double dash. We will write our command, then we'll again have double dash and a closing angle bracket. Please note that there is an exclamation point in the opening tag but not in the closing tag. Means here we have the exclamation point only in the opening tag, but there is no exclamation point in the end tag. A very important point to remember that comments are not displayed by the browser when we render our page, but instead it will help us to document our HTML source code in a better manageable way. With command, we can place notification and reminder in our HTML document. For example, after this paragraph element, we have a command with an information as remember to add more information here. So in future, whenever we or any other developer see this command, immediately he will get an hint that we have to add few more information here just after the paragraph element. Comments are also great for debugging HTML because we can comment out HTML lines of code one at a time to search for the error. For example, let's assume that this line of code is error prone or it is throwing error, and to figure out this we can comment this line and try to run our code. In case our code runs successfully, that means this line might be having some error. And likewise, we can debug our HTML code in a better way using this command tag. Please note the command can be a single line command as it is displayed here, or it can be a multiple line command as it is displayed here. Instead, we want to comment a multiple line, so we will surround those multiple line with an opening command tag and a closing command tag. And in case we want to comment only a single line, then only that single line has to be surrounded with an opening command tag and a closing command tag. Now to get a better understanding about the command tags in HTML, let's go into the HTML editor and write a code to see how exactly it works. Now here I already have a created code to demonstrate the command tag in HTML. Now before we comment any code in this example, let's run this and see how exactly it looks like. To do so, right click and open in default browser. When that code is ran, we can see that hello all, then there is a horizontal line and my name is Paul is displayed. Now let's go into the HTML code and comment a single line. For example, I want to comment this thematic break element or the thematic break tag. For this, we have to surround this line or this element with an opening command tag and a closing command tag as shown here. So whenever this code is rendered in a browser, the horizontal line which was displaying will not be visible now. Save this and let's go into the browser and refresh the page to see the changes. Now here we can see that there is no horizontal line being displayed here because we have commented that. Now before we comment multiple line, let me uncomment this. Now let's assume that we want to comment this first two line. For that we have to surround this two line with an opening command tag and the closing command tag. Now save this and go to the browser and refresh it. We can see only my name is Paul. Hello all, and that horizontal break is commented, and for that reason it is not displayed here. So this is how that comment tag works in HTML. Thank you for watching.